Hi everyone. Here we are again with low tech. I'm just using this one camera. Bear with me while we go back and forth between various devices. The topic is minor scales. Minor scales. In this case, just as we did with the major scales, I want you to write out all of the minor scales. For this week, let's just do the ones in the sharp keys because there are three types of minor scales. First, let's figure out how we determine the key signature. You remember C major, no sharps, no flats, right? Let's take a look at that. Here's C major. No sharps, no flats, an octave. To find the relative minor, relative minor, that's the word you need to know, relative. Relative means it has the same key signature. Okay? To find the relative minor, go down a third. Okay? So from C we go to A. A minor has no sharps, no flats. All right? To find the relative minor, you go down a third from the major. There are three types of minor scales. That one we just did was the natural minor. Okay? I'm going to work through this PDF that I'm sending you with your homework, so make sure you look at that as we do this. Okay. Here, this is Sibelius program, right? The first scale I'm going to do is the A natural minor. A to A with no sharps and flats. The next one is the A harmonic minor. Okay, you see there was one note that was raised. That's the seventh note, so you have G sharp, right? The seventh note, right there, G sharp, is raised. Let me see if I can do this again. Why do we call it harmonic minor? Because when you harmonize a minor scale, you have a 5 chord which has a sharp 3. We'll go over that, but I'm going to show you a little bit of that again. Here we go. Here we go, the harmonic minor. And here's the harmony. Minor 1, minor 4, major 5, and minor 1. Okay? Let's go over that just a little bit again. Minor 1 chord, that's A minor, second D minor, E major, A minor. That's why we call it harmonic minor, because you add that G sharp to harmonize the minor scale. The next one is A melodic minor. The 6th and 7th scale degrees are raised on the way up, and then natural on the way down. So you have a natural minor on the way down. On the way up, you have the 6th and 7th scale degrees raised. Let's look at that. Here we are. A melodic minor. Okay, let's look at it one more time. So remember, you would have F natural and G natural in the natural minor, but in this case you have F sharp and G sharp. The 6th and 7th scale degrees are raised. All right. Okay, now how do you do this then with writing them out? Let's look again here on this sheet, and this is what I want you to do. if we add one sharp, then the scale that we have is G major, right? C major, no sharps, no flats. You add one sharp when you go up a fifth, C, D, E, F, G. G major has one sharp. Let's take a look at this. Right, here we are. So we want to put, how am I doing here? We want to put a sharp here on the F. All right? Now, normally, or in major scale, you would have G to G, but to find the minor scale, you go down a third. Here's G, 2, F, 3, E. So, you write your minor scale on, starting on E. What am I doing? Sorry. Okay. There you have it. Sorry, that's not very good writing. E, F sharp, G, A, B, C natural, D natural, E. And that is your natural minor. Say we want to do harmonic. Okay, I've written harmonic here. So we go E, F sharp, G, A, B, C, D sharp, E, right? D sharp is the 7th. Okay, there's harmonic. Let's do one more melodic. Remember here, this is E minor. E minor. Now we're going to do the melodic. Okay, so again, we need to write F sharp in the key signature. E, F sharp, which is already there in the key signature. G, A, B. Now, C sharp is the 6th scale degree, so we add a sharp there. D sharp is the 7th scale degree, we add a sharp there. When we're coming back down, we have D natural, C natural, B, A, G, F sharp, which is in the key signature, and E. Okay? Take a look at it again. Melodic minor, E melodic minor, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E. Coming down, E, D natural, C natural, B, A, G, F sharp. And we don't put a sharp in front of that F because that sharp is already in the key signature right there. Yeah? Okay. I hope that's not too terribly confusing. Please write me if you have any questions about it. Okay? Have a great week with this, and see you later.